现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another round of Practical Hog on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Alice， 你有没有那种急着出门就会忘东忘西啊？
会呀。
你知道吗？除了忘东忘西啊，有的时候啊，急着出门还会怎么样？以为那个遥控器是手机，把遥控器带出门呢，你知道吗？
然后手机放
然后到车上就说这是什么？很糗的 ，right? Yeah, a lot of times when we're going out in a hurry and we forget things, okay? And it happens a lot, or maybe every time. The whole month we're teaching you the phrase 每次。
大拜。
大拜 ，OK？ 好 ，Let's put you in this scenario. 你怎么每次出门都会忘东忘西啊 ？Why do you always forget things when you go out?
用板大拜出門，
用板大拜出門，
都會唔記得呀，
都會唔記得呀，
唔記得嘅，
唔記得嘅哦，就是忘東忘西這樣子。
忘記這個，忘記那個。
There's a phrase in Chinese, 忘東忘西 means I forget the east, I forget the west. That means I forget this, I forget that. 這樣子意思啊，很可愛的一個感覺。OK， 那急着出門就會容易忘記啊，對不對 ？Because I'm always in a hurry, so I would forget.
趕緊出門，
趕緊出門，
手卡會唔記得啦。
手卡會唔記得啊 ？OK， 唔記得啊，我們就知道就是
忘記啊
了 ，that means forget, right？然後呢，急着出門叫做
趕緊出門。
哦，趕緊 that means hurry 出門 going out 啊，沒錯，所以呢要習慣提早準備啦。If you are always in a hurry, then you got to prepare all the things in advance, right？ 要習慣提早準備。
愛關係，
愛關係，
較早地位，
較早調誒，
準備啦。
準備啦。
愛關係較早地位，準備啦。
愛關係較早調誒，準備啦。準備啦就是準備 to prepare， 習慣叫做
關係。
關係 All right, let's review some of these terms, such as 我很喜歡教這個忘東忘西，其實是忘這個忘那個啦，對不對 ？To forget this, forget that。
唔記得呀，唔記得嘅。
唔記得呀，唔記得嘅，呀嘅都不見了，都忘了，對不對 ？All right， 好，然後急着，
趕緊，
趕緊。That means to be in a hurry to do something or go out the door. And then to prepare, 準備。
準備。
準備 All right. And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase every time, 每一次。
大拜。
大拜 And now you know, that does for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
是誰張來了？
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.